If you run an e-commerce business, you've probably heard that email marketing is a great channel for increasing sales, but maybe you've never used it and don't know why it is or how it works. Today, I'm going to cover the very basics of how it works and why it is a must-have for any brand. Let's go. I know, email's old, it's boring, there's a fancy social media platform in every digital corner, so why should brands use email marketing? Well, there's actually a lot of reasons. First, it's easy to learn and use. You don't need to learn about algorithms or bidding strategies. Emails are easy to create and don't have variable costs from one day to the next. Second, the ROI is incredible. The average ROI of email for Omnisend's US customers is 73 to 1. It's $73 earned for every $1 spent. Now compare that to social media, where a 5 to 1 ROI is considered good. And because it is an established and reliable channel, some might even say that it's boring. At 73 to 1, give me boring any day. Third, email is a first-party channel, and that actually matters. So what does this mean? This means that consumers willingly give you permission to send them marketing messages because they want them. Unlike social media where they see them because they have to. Now when they sign up to receive emails, you have the right to send them messages until they choose they don't want them anymore. Because they want them, they look for them. Imagine, an advertisement that people actually look for. And oh yeah, you don't need to worry about email being banned or algorithm changes that impact your costs from one day to the next. And finally, email works even when you don't. You're not taking a vacation, are you? Now, automated emails like cart abandonment emails, for example, are sent based on shopper behavior. So they send even when you're sleeping. Not only do they send at all hours, but they work extremely well. Now, 1 in every 3 people who click on an automated email goes on to make a purchase. That's money. All right, you get the idea. Email is great, but how does it actually work? It's actually pretty simple. Shopper comes to your store, you collect their email address, you send them messages, they make a purchase, you keep the cycle going. So let's explore this just a little bit. Let's say you're spending money to generate traffic to your website. So when a visitor lands on your website, they're presented with a pop-up form asking them to join your email program. When they enter their email, they're now subscribed. You can send them campaign emails and automated emails whenever you wish. Now, most brands will send about 1 to 3 scheduled emails promoting the products each week, but there is no right or wrong number. It's completely up to you and your brand. Now, of course, I already mentioned these automated messages, and the big ones that brands should really think about are welcome messages, browse abandonment messages, and cart abandonment messages. Now, welcome messages are sent to new subscribers, usually welcome them, introducing products or categories, and even offering a discount to shop. Now, browse abandonment messages are automatically sent to online window shoppers, those who view products on your site and then leave. Now, you can send these automated messages based on what they were viewing and entice them to return to continue shopping. So you can see why these are so valuable. And cart abandonment messages are sent to those who place items in their shopping cart and leave without buying. Guilty. Now, each of these messages is sent when consumers have a high intent to purchase, and that's a major reason brands see an ROI of 73 to 1 with email. It's the right message, the right time to the engaged shopper. Now, you can use email marketing to personalize communication to your different audiences, including first-time buyers, repeat buyers, and loyal customers, ensuring they all have a unique and better experience with your brand. And that's the power of email. Better customer experiences, better ROI, lower retargeting costs, and increased loyalty. So whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or are looking to elevate your marketing efforts, email marketing will help you increase sales, and it's easier than you think. How easy? Pretty easy. You can get started with a tool like Omnisend for free and be up and running in literally minutes. Plus, Omnisend has all the built-in features that help you grow, including pop-up sign-up forms, automated email workflows, an easy-to-use email builder, pre-built templates for all of those things, 24/7 live support to guide you along the way, and so much more. So if you're interested in learning more about Omnisend and the value they offer, even on their free plan, be sure to visit omnisend.com, which is also linked in the video description. And if you're interested in even more email marketing videos to increase your sales, check out this one right here.